Weekly stimulus, guys, for the week of January 22nd. Open is live for you guys that are interested in signing up for the Open this year. We will be doing teams again, AM versus the PM, no midday team. So if you're not interested in signing up for the Open and you plan to come every Monday, all you have to do is come to 3 Mondays in a row and you will be able to participate in the Open. We do the Open workout every single Monday. All right, week workouts are Monday, 2 rounds. All right, so they're 4-minute AMRAPs with 1-minute breaks. 4-minute AMRAP, 1-minute break, 4-minute AMRAP, 1-minute break, and then do another round. All right, so 6 bench press, 6 pull-up. Try to make those strict pull-ups if you can. You will not be able to use the middle of the pull-up bars because of the benches, so you'll have to use one of the bars that goes into the wall so that you're out of way of the bench. AMRAP number 2, they're all couplets, all right? 12 box jump over, 50 double unders, crossovers, or singles. 9 row, 6 double dumbbell push press. The 1-minute break is not a break. It's really just a transition period. I wouldn't be thinking about breaking a lot because you're just not going to have the time. Really what you want to do is have a nice pace and get yourself organized for the next workout. Tuesday, week 4 snatch. EMOM snatch warm-up, again, is the same. You'll take a 3-minute break after that. Coaches, don't give them a lot of time between these warm-ups and the EMOMs or whatever format that we're doing for the lift. Okay, so we have another wave here. Rounds 1, 4, 7, 10, and 3, you'll do 3 hang power snatches. All right, round 2, or intervals, I should say, on the EMOM. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, you'll do hang squat snatch. If you can't hang squat, you'll hang power plus overhead. And then 1 squat snatch from the floor on 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Make weight changes any way you want. But again, guys, we're trying to get better at snatch. It's not an easy exercise, and it takes a lot of time to develop. So, focus on the little things on each EMOM minute. Okay, after that you'll have a light little break just to break down your weights and get yourselves a dumbbell. This is 24-16, 4 rounds for time. This is a very creep up on you workout. Rounds 1 goes pretty quick, round 2 goes pretty quick, but then round 3 and 4 is really where it's gut check time. So again, I suggest breaking up toe to bar early. If you feel so great on the last round of toe to bar, then go unbroken, which I don't see it being, but that is a better situation than breaking up into singles. All right, 20 knees to chest if you're subbing. Wednesday is going to be 10 unbroken power cleans. We're going to run you on a little bit of a longer clock every 4 minutes for just 3 rounds. It's a total of 30 reps. Touch and go does not mean you have to go fast. It means you need to never break at the floor. Break in the hang, break in the rack, but do not break on the floor. You'll get a break after that, and then what you'll do is you'll do 5 rounds of an every 2 minute. You have a buy-in of 8, 6 on the bike, then 10, 10 shoulder to overhead. Time remaining, you'll max rep wall ball. I would do quick sets of 5 once I get to the wall ball. Our goal is to get to the wall ball right around 40 to 45 seconds. So you're not going to get a ton of reps. If you're getting a ton of reps, more than 20 on the wall ball, you need to add more weight to the barbell. All right? You'll get a 1-minute break, and then you'll move to the next round. I suggest coaches that have a large class here. Well, obviously, we don't have enough bikes for everybody. Just stagger them on the minute. So I would start on 0, and my partner or my person who's sharing the bike with me would start on 1. That shouldn't have you back into one another. Thursday is a benchmark. I really like this workout. It's awful. It is a 30-minute EMOM. It's called Fortitude. It's a CrossFit New England Ben Bergeron workout. It's a great capacity test. I wouldn't think of trying to RX it. This is extremely difficult. So I would try to pick a number you think you could hit for both movements. It's a couplet. It's 15 regular burpees, and then it's 15, 12 on the row. So you just alternate back and forth. Okay, so on this workout, we've done this many times before in the past. I'm giving people a scaling option this time around, okay? I suggest rounds number 1 and 2, you take about 40 seconds to row at a decent, manageable pace, and you burpee for 40 seconds. After that round, let's say you did 12 burpees and 11 burpees, pick a number, like maybe 10, that you can consistently hit for the next 13 rounds. This is 30 rounds, 15 of each. Same thing on the row. Row pretty good at a pace you can handle for the first 40 seconds. Pick an average target and hit that. If anyone from a scaling standpoint wants to take a 2-minute rest after the 15th round, so the 15th round comes up, all right, you take a break. After you take a break, you take a 2-minute break. You start back up, but you still complete all 30 intervals. So you'll work from interval 1 to interval 15. You'll break 16 and 17. Then you'll go from 17 all the way to 32. You're not doing less time. You're just going to take a 2-minute break in between there. I'm wondering how that works out, so we take your feedback. All right, Friday's 2 4-time workouts with a 5-minute break in between. It's 3-bar muscle up, 7 chest to bar regular pull-ups, and then thrusters go down 21, 18, 15, and 12. This is actually a bookend, so it's not a couplet. It starts and finishes with the same exercise, bar muscle up, all right? It's 15 bar muscle up. I suggest you guys consider doing maybe 1 bar muscle up every round, and then 2 to 1 on the pull-ups. So if you're going ahead and doing 1 bar muscle up, you'll go ahead and do 4 pull-ups or chest to bars or regular pull-ups. Okay, thrusters 95, 65, and then it goes down from there. The rep scheme on thrusters again is 21, 18, 15, and 12. It's only 4 times you pick up the bar. Break them up early. Think of like 7s, 6s, 5s, and 4s. I mean, if you feel great on the last thruster round, do them unbroken or 2 sets of 6s. After the 5-minute break, you'll make a weight change on your barbell, and you'll do 6 deadlift, 6 wall walk, 9 deadlift, 6 wall walk, 12, 6, 15, 6, 18. Again, it is a bookend. It will end on the deadlift and start on the deadlift. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 24 wall walks. If that's a huge number, drop it to 4 or 5, whatever suits you. And large classes, coaches, I would just flip them. You know, I would just have, it really depends. Friday, you could stagger them a little bit because there's not a lot of pull-ups, but you are using the wall, so just be mindful, all right? All right. Saturday is a 60 interval Tabata. You will alternate every movement. You will not stay there for multiple times. You'll pistol for 20 seconds. You'll move to the next station. You'll med ball slam for 20 seconds. You'll move to the next station. You'll kettlebell. You'll box jump. You'll rope climb. All right? You're going to go around and around and around 12 times each. Make it simple on the pistols. If you're not able to alternate pistol, I would think about just doing 5 aside and pick up where you left off every round. I think that's a good way to go about it. Or you can just do right leg, left leg every round. All right. Sunday's 2 minutes of work with a 1-minute rest. There's 3 rounds. There's 4 couplets. It's 12 wall ball and 6 pull-up. It's 12 bench hop and 6 med ball slam. It's 12 plate to overhead, 6-4 bike. It's 12 med ball sit-ups and wall walk for 2 reps. That is our week. Again, sign up for Open. We will be getting some information about Open, how we do it at our gym, and how you can do it with CrossFit. All right, guys.